Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Vivek Kumar, and welcome back to another episode of Foodie Oh Yes. And finally, we are back with a new video after 6 long months. And जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं कि मेरे घर में कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, तो इस वजह से मेरी गाड़ी यहाँ पार्क नहीं है. इट्स पार्क्ड इन अनदर गैराज. तो अब वहीं मिलते हैं. And this is the garage. These are the keys. Now I need to open it. देखते हैं एक हाथ से खुलता है कि नहीं. वो खुल गया. अब आप लोग भी यहाँ बैठ के क्या करोगे? तो चलिए अब सीधा मिलते हैं आयन के घर पे. So, दूर वहाँ आयन का घर है. I couldn't bring my car here because वहाँ पीछे कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. आपको नहीं लगता आजकल कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन ज्यादा ही चल रहा है? Do let me know in the comment section आपको क्या लगता है. वैसे यूजुअली तो आयन लेट करते हैं भाई साहब. नहीं पता आज का क्या सीन है. आयन रेडी हुआ तुम?
One eternity later.
So we are finally back in the car और आयन भी यहाँ बैठा हुआ है. हम भी बैठे हुए हैं और अभी हम लोग ड्राइव करने वाले हैं. बूम बूम बूम. बट ऑफ कोर्स मेरे को फोन रखना पड़ेगा. I can't vlog and drive. तो चलो सीधा मिलते हैं अभी अनप्लग्ड में. बाय बाय. In the last 6 months, I guess I have totally got back to where I started from. A full 360-degree circle. But I guess we need to start from somewhere, and here I am. So finally we are at the Unplugged. This looks so magnificent from outside. I hope it's amazing from inside too. I've never been there before. So first of all, I need to make these videos so that I can compile them and make a video. Of course, I'll click a video to make a video. So I need to sanitize my hand first. Here we go. And also get my temperature checked. And now for the first time I'm stepping inside Unplugged. Whoa. This is beautiful actually. Seating capacity is actually great. This place can accommodate a lot of people at a time. And the furnitures look great. This is amazing. And this place written Unplugged looks amazing. And I pretty much clicked some pic. I personally had a liking for one part of the restaurant. They had some amazing seating spaces, which I had these cool pictures taken. Then at the counter, we saw this guy squash some lemons, add colorful berries, added ice, mixed everything together, added a little bit of Sprite, and there's our fruit mojito water lemon ready. Then he started again with squashing something. Added a this, added a that, a bit of ice, a bit of Sprite, and here's our boom boom Thai mojito. And he started again with a lot of ice this time. A little bit of red watermelons and yellow watermelons and topped with blue watermelons. And a melon ball punch is ready. But I wasn't there. I was busy with the soups. Thai tom yum soup and the creamy chicken Tuscany soup. Coming back to the drinks. He mixed something blue in a mixer and poured it in a glass. Added a bit of Sprite. And here's the Blue Angel for you. And then everyone started taking pics with the drinks, and so did I. One focused on drink, one focused on meat. And then arrived the Lebanese meze non-veg platter. It consisted of few dips and few fish, mutton and chicken cutlets. And the next thing was really spellbinding. A serving tray consisting of Hyderabadi chicken biryani, the assorted bread basket and Amritsari cream chicken. This presentation looked so good that we clicked these three together. And also we took them outside and got some really beautiful pics. And for some unknown reasons, I didn't take videos of any other dishes. Maybe I was busy with clicking the pics. Starting with salads, this is couscous warm salad and this is my favorite chicken Caesar salad. Never thought salads could be this delicious. Singapore noodles with mixed veg and mixed veg takata. Tandoori stuffed mushroom tikka. Shanghai paneer kurchan on mini kulchas, also one of my favorites. And behind is Let Me Kai chicken. Meat lovers pizza. And one of the best presentable anko crusted grilled fish, and behind that is Singapore noodles, and for dessert my personal favorite from the place, classic Italian tiramisu, and this is baked cheesecake. And then we placed all the dishes together to take pics and videos of the lovely and drool-worthy spread, and this is how it looks. This is the tiramisu we ordered again because ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा sexy था.